special purchase. I am, oops, going up. I'm going to buy some shoes for like my birthday and for New York. Just going to see what they have. I'm very ashy, so I'm gonna try and sneak to the makeup area and get some lotion.
Aren't they adorable? Let me get them for you.
Yes! Special unboxing videos. Just got the shoes. I am so excited. I love these. They're super comfy. And I can't wait to wear them. I'm gonna be like so New York vibes. I wanted to be like Sarah Jessica Parker in New York, and my dream is coming true. Oh my god. I'm gonna get myself together. Because this is a big moment for me. Like, this is the most money I've spent on any shoes. Any shoes. All the shoes. All of them. Put them together, and it still is not here. This is don't play with her. Please do not play with her. Alright, well, I am going to get back to my car. I'm not going to have the camera and the red bottoms all at one time, okay? I ain't trying to get robbed out here. So, see you when we get to Zyra. Bye! Favorite drink from the Goddess and the Baker, which is the ginger pineapple. It's like a juice that they make in-house. It's so good. And I'm trying to vegan soup. Oh Lord. I don't know about this. It's got avocado in it. I don't like avocado. So, let's see that. Vegan soup. I don't even like, vegan stuff, but it's good.
It's a public event per se that's really cool.
It's got beans, corn, peppers, no onion. Okay. I'm 4 minutes away from Zara. I'm gonna literally right in and run out. Because I'm trying to hurry up and get, oh, it's 2 o'clock. Yeah, I'm not trying to be in traffic, so. really good though. I need some jalapenos, I ain't gonna lie. Take this home. Doctor it up. Yep. It'll be better when I'm underneath the air conditioner. But I don't know, I just really been feeling soups lately.